take a moment to arrive. You don't need to fix anything right now. You don't need to understand everything you've been carrying. Just being here is enough. If there's been tension, pressure, or a quiet sense of overwhelm, you don't have to push it away. You don't have to hold it tightly either. For the next few minutes, you're allowed to set it down, gently. Imagine yourself standing at the water's edge. The shoreline stretches quietly around you. The air is soft, the light low and steady, and the water moves in a slow, natural rhythm. Waves rolling in and then easing back again. Nothing forced, nothing rushed. Just a steady, reliable movement. Let your breath begin to follow this rhythm. Inhale as the water arrives. Exhale as it gently retreats. Now, bring your attention to your body. Notice where tension may be sitting. Perhaps in your shoulders, your jaw, your chest, or somewhere harder to name. There's no need to change it yet. Just notice. Stress often stays because it hasn't been acknowledged. So for a moment, let it be seen. Without judgment, without needing it to leave immediately. Now imagine the tide beginning to rise, each wave reaching a little further onto the shore, and with each breath out, it carries something away. Not all at once, just a little at a time. As you exhale, allow the water to take, the tightness in your shoulders, the heaviness in your chest, the thoughts that have been looping. Let the tide hold them for you. You don't need to carry everything alone. The water knows how to receive without effort. Now gently bring awareness back through your body. Let your shoulders drop just a little. Unclench your jaw. Allow your tongue to rest. Feel your hands soften, your stomach ease, your breath slow. Nothing dramatic, just small releases. Like the shoreline after a wave has passed. Smooth again, quiet again. Notice what remains now. Perhaps a little more space, a little more quiet. Not everything needs to be gone for you to feel lighter. This is what happens when you stop holding everything so tightly. The body begins to remember how to settle, how to rest. As we come to the end of this moment, take one slow breath in and let it fall out naturally. The tide continues its rhythm, whether you're here or not, and you can return to it whenever you need to. You don't have to wait until everything feels overwhelming. You can step back to the shoreline and let things go before they build. Gently begin to bring awareness back. A small movement of your fingers, a soft breath in, and when it feels right, open your eyes. You don't have to carry everything with you. Some things can stay with the sea. A soft breath in and a gentle breath out. You are lighter now. Let that be enough.